Hey guys, so it seems like you guys like having, I mean, I'm getting a pretty good response on the crypto trades and just kind of constantly updating on crypto and stuff. I did actually buy a bunch more Stellar Lumens. I actually bought, I think, $200 worth more of Stellar Lumens. I do think Stellar Lumens and XRP have a really good shot at going back to all-time highs, especially right now, right? It's at 18 cents. That's basically that's like a 4x from here, right? And then my other biggest position is actually XRP, which I hold 17 or $1,800 of. I would probably constantly keep buying some more at probably any dips, because I do think XRP has a really good shot at surpassing $3.84. I do think they have a really good shot at going way past that. I really like XRP just because it's actually a really good coin, but I'm not gonna show this to anybody, right? I'm not gonna tell you guys, oh, go buy it and all that fucking shit, right? It's just what I like. I like Bitcoin, I like Doggy, XRP, Stellar Lumens, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash, right? Everybody has different preferences, but yes, XRP is breaking really good resistance, and it's doing extremely well, and it's doing it super fast. So that's why I think that XRP has a really good shot of not only going back to all-time highs but breaking it and maybe going into the hundreds, just because XRP is being backed up by a bunch of people out of nowhere. Like, I don't know why, but XRP is doing great. But yeah, I'll probably do more crypto updates for you guys. But yeah, XRP broke 65 cents, and Stellar Lumens is going, Bitcoin is going. Bitcoin is still around the 18K area. I do think Bitcoin is gonna break $19,000 pretty soon. Like, it's kind of a safe bet to kind of assume that right now, especially with PayPal and all the news with PayPal, and just looking at their chart, right? Just looking at it's either they break 1900 right now on Bitcoin, or Bitcoin goes all the way back down to $12,000. There really is there's nothing else that can happen. It's either gonna break 19,000 and gonna shoot and skyrocket back up, or it's gonna fall right here on. It's gonna create resistance at 1900 exactly, and it's gonna fall all the way back down to 1200, and everybody's gonna start taking profit. So there's nothing else that's gonna happen. It's either gonna go all the way up past 19,000, and it's gonna keep going all the way up past 20K, maybe even 30K this time, 40K, or it's gonna hit resistance right here pretty hard, and it's gonna drop back down to 12,000 bucks. And at that point, you guys should probably start buying like crazy, because I don't think it's gonna go any lower than that. But yeah, quick update. Super cool. I'll start updating more on crypto just because you guys seem to like it. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.